Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log in into your first bank account. So follow some simple steps which I'm going to show you. First of all, open your web browser and in the search bar, type in First Bank Login. And as the search result, you can see in the first option, First Bank Login. Click on it. It will take you to the login portal of First Bank. And over here, enter the user ID of your account and enter your password. To confirm what you typed, you can click on the show button over here and choose your account type by clicking on this drop down arrow. Once you do that, click on login. You will be logged into your first bank account. You can click here on remember your user ID if you are using your private computer for further use, but I do not recommend if you are using a public or shared computer. And if you guys forgot your password, click here on forgot password to reset it. And to create a new account on First Bank, click here on sign up button. So this was for this video. This is how you can log in into your First Bank account. Hope you guys understand and find our video helpful. If you did, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. And also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you guys for watching.